This is the N2 turbine wheel on the Boeing 502. I've borescoped the full engine, so there's no nicks, no burns on the blades. They're all very sharp. The engine does spin freely. This was a test stand to test these motors, so it makes it into a turbo ducted fan. The engine is complete. The engine does spin freely, but the compressor does have one chip there, one chip there. This is the instrumentation panel. And that gauge is sticking up there. This is N1 turbine wheel. I split the V-band just with one nut. Push back the nozzle. You can see the tips of the blades are all very sharp all the way around. This should be a good running engine. And it does spin freely. So I took that V-band clamp off, and I borescoped the full engine with this borescope. It's a 2mm head. Here's one last look at the engine. I don't see anything missing. There's several videos online showing this engine running at the school it was at. Here's the igniter, exciter box, fuel control, starter gen. Fuel filter was changed in 010. Fuel pump underneath it, and tach generator. Governor, N2. Oil scab pump. Oil filter. And then all your gauges.